Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will fetch orders from our Shopify store using Shopify custom app. So let's create a route first and create a file app.orders.jsx, and we are going to import some components like user loader data, use fetcher, JSON, authenticate from our Shopify server, and some Polaris components. Then we will have a export loader function, and that will be a sync function, and we will pass request in that function, and then we will have const admin await authenticate our request with admin, and we will pass the request over here. So then we will make a GraphQL query and const response await admin.graphql function. In that function we will pass GraphQL query. Okay, so in the GraphQL query we'll fetch orders first 10 orders, and then edges and node, and then name, email of the order, total price set, and inside that shop money, and then amount, and over here we will display financial status, and then we will grab the line items. We will fetch first 5, and after that edges, node, and inside node we will grab the title, and then quantity, original unit price set, and inside that we will get shop money and amount. So this is our GraphQL query, and in the response, once we have the response, const response JSON await response dot JSON. So we will convert our response into JSON. This should be outside the GraphQL function, and once we get the response, we need to return this response in JSON, response JSON dot data. Okay, now our query is completed. Now let's create the main component function, export default function orders, and inside that we will get the data over here, get that data use loader data. This will give us the data which we are fetching from the store, and then we'll have a variable orders is equal to data dot orders dot edges, and let's create the rows. So let's have a variable const rows. Inside rows we will loop through the orders dot map, and in the map we will pass node as a order, and then arrow function and array. Inside that array we will pass the order name, order dot name, then order dot email, and in the next column order dot total price set dot shop money dot amount, and next order dot display financial status. And let me just copy and paste this property, and then we will loop through the line items. Order dot line items dot edges dot map, and item, and we will return a div, and key would be item dot node dot title, and then inside div we will display item dot node dot quantity, and then we will display item dot node dot title at item dot node dot original price set dot shop money dot amount, and finally we will have a button. Inside button we will have on click function, and we will run a function, callback function, and we will console.log. View button, view order, and here we will pass the order dot name, and that button text would be view. And finally we will return this, and inside return we will have frame and page full width, layout. Let me just copy and paste this data, so I will explain to you. We have a layout section, card, inside card we have a heading, order list, and then we have a table, data table. In the data table we have all the text fields, and heading is order name, email, total price, status, line items and action. And inside rows we are passing the rows which we grab from here, which we are looping through from here. So our page is ready. So let's see, let's run this and open our app. Before opening this, let's create a link. So let me copy this and I will type orders, and orders and okay. Whenever you make the query to your orders, make sure you have the access scope to write and read orders in the shopify.app.toml. So once you add the scope, run the command Shopify app deploy, then you will be able to make the query. So let me reload this. Now you see we have a new item in the sidebar, orders, and if I click on the orders, and you will see we have orders list. We grab first 10 orders. This is the order number and the customer email, total price and the financial status and line items. So let's try to change this this item, this order status. If I search this order, and right now it is paid, and added this. Okay, refund, just for testing. Okay, 11.60 refund. Now the status is changed. Let's go to our app and go to orders, and as you can see, the status is changed, the order is refunded. So this is how you can fetch orders from your store by using Shopify custom app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.